As Dean of Grand Canyon University's College of Nursing and Healthcare Professions, it's an honor to welcome you and share more about our programs. We've been educating nursing students for over 40 years and are proud of the qualified graduates who are making a meaningful impact in healthcare across the country. From foundational courses to advanced practice, we're helping equip the next generation of skilled and compassionate nurses. GCU offers nursing programs for every stage of a nursing career. Students can earn a Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree through our traditional campus or our hybrid Accelerated BSN track. For those looking to specialize, we offer Master of Science in Nursing programs, including a focus as a family nurse practitioner, acute care nurse practitioner with an emphasis in adult gerontology, or our psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner. For nurses ready to lead at the highest level, we offer a Doctor of Nursing practice. We're also proud to offer a Master of Science in Athletic Training. Beyond nursing, our college also offers a variety of healthcare-related programs, such as occupational therapy, speech-language pathology, healthcare administration, healthcare quality and patient safety, public health, informatics, nursing education, and nursing leadership degree programs. At GCU, we provide multiple paths to help you join the field of nursing, advance your education, or potentially expand your career options. With prerequisite pathways offered both online or in person and a variety of program options, you can choose to attend class on our Phoenix campus, at one of our ABSN learning sites across the country, or through our convenient online platform, depending on the pathway selected. Our faculty are chosen for their experience, expertise, alignment to our university mission, and commitment to creating the best educational journey for our students. Through an academically rigorous curriculum and a supportive learning environment, our goal is to help you become an ethical and compassionate healthcare professional and servant leader who advocates for health, wellness, and safety. As a vibrant Christian university, we have the opportunity to impart our Christian worldview with all of our students as they apply their God-given talents to pursue their passion. The pursuit to serve others through nursing and healthcare is yours. Find your purpose at GCU and flourish in the path you take. Lobes up.